How to change Asana's password. That's what we're going to do in today's video. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and like the video if you didn't yet like it, and also don't forget to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have before starting. And let's get started now. So, as you remember, we created an Asana account in a previous video. In that video, we created a password initially. What if we now want to change this password? That's what we're going to do now. First thing to do is going to the Asana homepage or the home workspace. After it opens for you, you're gonna go to the top right, click on the profile image. When the menu opens for you, you're gonna go to My Settings, click on it, and when the My Settings window opens for you, you can find many sections: a notification section, email forwarding, and account. We're gonna click on account. After the account section opens for us, you're gonna find another section below it called passwords. We're gonna also find many other sections like display, app hacks, and under the account section there are also many sections, but what we want is the password section. As you can see, the title and the subtitle. Click on change password on the right. Now what appears for us are some text boxes that we need to fill. Current password, you're gonna write here your current password before changing it, and here you have to write the new password. It needs to be 8 characters and it needs to be strong. Now we're gonna retype the new password, as you can see, in order to confirm it. I'm typing it, and after you finish, make sure that you typed in all the stuff correctly: the new password, the current password, and in confirming the new password, you're gonna now click on save. As you can see, you now successfully changed your Asana password, and when you sign in, you have to write now and enter the new password instead of the current password. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video by hitting the like button below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also don't forget to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.